Moshe Daivd recently became CEO of TIBA Parking Systems, designer and manufacturer of state-of-the-art access and revenue control systems. We have him on the phone to ask him a few questions. Hi Moshe, thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Hi, thank you as well.
So what do you hope to bring to TIBA?
So I have over 20 years of experience in managing technology organizations and technology companies, primarily software. That's where most of my background is. Also, I have a lot of experience on the global basis. I managed operations, sales operations, organizations and companies that worked and sold in US, Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, and so on. So I have a pretty good global experience and technology background.
What, as a tech expert, is your view on where the parking industry is nowadays?
I think the parking industry is in a turning point, inflection point. Until recently, it was almost a pure hardware play, and those that had the better hardware and logic that was embedded in the hardware were the ones that led the market. I believe in the next few years, like many other markets, the change into more software, more capabilities will define, I would say, the winners in this market. So I think we're now in the beginning of a change or inflection point, and there will be more and more emphasis on the software, and the hardware will become, I'm not saying a commodity, but it will be less of a differentiator.
Okay. So what are the strengths and opportunities for TIBA in the market today?
TIBA has a well-established platform, very well accepted and adopted by dozens of dealers and hundreds or maybe even thousands of end customers. And it has the architecture, an open architecture that can enable it to fastly integrate with other systems and or develop new capabilities, probably faster than most of our competitors, I would say.
Okay, so what do you envision is the future for TIBA?
The future for TIBA is, first of all, to build on the assets or the capabilities which I just mentioned, but definitely to put more emphasis on larger, more sophisticated systems that on one hand, we need to better and simplify the end user experience, and we also need to give the better service for the managers of the parking, operators, for them to better control, manage, optimize their operation at a lower cost. And I think at the end of the day, the leading companies will be those that will bring a multidisciplinary solution and a better user experience to this market.
Okay. Thanks, Moshe. Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye-bye.